Oh, nice. All right, back up a little bit. Let's all get in the frame here. All right, so basically we're gonna work with the impact balls, okay? These impact balls are mostly for what I've used them for is working with full swing with a lot of players in trying to get the club face square and make sure that that club position is getting in the correct spot. But today what we're gonna use them for out here on the putting green is we're gonna work with the impact balls between our knees to make sure that our lower body stays still while we're putting, okay? You guys watch a lot of golf, okay? What do you notice from the pros that you've seen when they're putting? Does their lower body move much? No. So what we want to work on today is trying to eliminate any kind of lower body movement when we're putting. We want to make sure that our lower body is staying still, okay? And by doing that, we can just put the impact ball kind of between our knees like this, and as we're putting, it's going to help kind of keep those knees locked and those hips from kind of moving too much when we're putting. Because one thing that I've seen from a lot of you guys, as well as your other teammates on the team, is that when you're putting, our lower body tends to move, and when our lower body starts moving, we get very inconsistent with our putting, because our putting stroke is not as consistent with trying to get that touch and feel of how hard to hit it. Because when that lower body's getting involved, we start swinging a little harder or differently. We want to just keep it all with our shoulders and make sure that we're pushing the ball when we're stroking it with our shoulders and with our arms and not getting that lower body involved, okay? So for YouTube, I'm going to give you guys the littler one and you guys will have the bigger one, okay? And so what I've got here is a couple of drills. And this first one right here behind you guys is basically just trying to work on our lag putting as if that tee right there in the middle of the box is the hole, and we want to try and get that lag putt to try and get that ball in the box as best as possible. Because if we get it in that box, it's going to be an easy two putt, correct guys? Yes. Exactly. So we're going to work on that, and then you two guys can come over here and you can just putt to this hole. All right? And so that's what we're going to work on right now. And our goal is to try and make sure that our lower body is staying still when we're putting, as well as I'm trying to teach you guys some good drills that you can take with you to go practice with when you're not out here at the golf course. So when I'm not here and you come out to practice, you have these drills to work on that'll help improve your game and your putting, okay? Because I'll tell you what, putting is where you're going to shave the most strokes off your game, okay? So you two, I'm going to get you over here, and then Camden, Max, you guys are going to be right here at this station here. All right? And here is the impact ball. So you're going to place that thing between the knees. So a little lower, Max. You want to kind of right in between your knees down here. There you go. And we're going to move that ball right up to the starting gate, because we want to make sure that you're not going to hit either of the tees on either side there. Good though, your knees are staying nice and still, your lower body is very quiet. That's what we want. We just don't want to get those hips involved in the putting stroke. Get that ball right in the middle there. There you go, Cam.
Cameron.
Nice, good putt, Grady. Very nice. Good posture. Good to keep that lower body nice and still.
It's not possible to keep it in there.
It's a tough putt from this angle. Good, Camden. Way to keep that lower body quiet.
I like your putter grip.
You almost got to go at that first tee on the outside.
You like whose putter grip?
Cameron's.
You mean Cameron's?
Oh, I chunked it.
Clark hit the ground.
is keeping that lower body still. That's all we want to work on. That's our goal for today, is to try and eliminate too much lower body movement. That's good speed right there, Clark. Very good.
You still got the plastic on your bag?
Do. Go ahead, Cam.